Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Jacinta, and welcome to the other side of Modesty. This is the shortest video as I've ever had to do. Like, so if it's your first time to click on this channel, thank you so much. Welcome. Consider subscribing. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. For the returning ones, thank you so much, guys, for the support. I don't know if I've said my name. My beautiful name is Jacinta, and here we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. So basically, today we're going to learn how to do a small hairstyle that I thought it is in my head because I want to shoot a video, and yeah, let's begin from here. The oil of today is a ballet. This is a mixture of tea tree and argan oil. I've been using it actually for the last, let me say, 7 months, and this oil is oiling. If you've got any scalp issues, then I encourage you to do this one because basically it is ballet tonic. You can get it at a store of your choice. So, but me, I get it in the supermarket. I don't know if it is available at other stores, but basically Naivas, it is let me say it is in liquid form. So me, I am a low porosity fuzzy type of hair. I don't know your type. For high porosity people, I usually encourage you to use a solid oils because with that it will do better thing for your hair. So with styling, you need to start styling with a very moisturized hair. I did my blonde out like it is close to 2 months, so my hair is dirty. My hair is dirty, let me be genuine, but when you look at it at the other angle, it looks like this. So basically, I want to do this style, and then the whole of this week, I'll end up on a wedding soon, so I have to do this hair like this. But when I finish, because there is this style I want to do, it needs a lot. uh, that will be the last style I'll be doing on that hair. So Sunday we'll be rolling with clean hair, and I like my hair to be clean. If you know, you know. So I just used a generous amount because apparently I've been oiling my hair like consistently. If you've been watching me for a moment now, you know that I've been having a scalp issue of which I've not opened up. I think that will be the first video I'll be doing in 2026. And in advance, let me wish you Merry Christmas. I'd want to do a Q&A as the last video of this year on this channel, and after that Q&A, I think I'll just be live in, out, and there, depending on the time I get, because it is that festive season. I've got a lot of things to do in my head currently, so I'm preparing for the new year, both spiritually, mentally, physically, and all that. So I want to have time for myself. So if you've got any questions, you can direct message me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll be doing that in the next video. It can be hair related, or again I'll be introducing myself for the new subscribers on this family, and that is it, guys. So let's continue with our video. With me here, I'm combing my hair, and guys, I've come a long way. You know, this part of my hair did not have hair apparently. I lost everything. I don't know if it is those medications I've been having when the year began until last month. That is when I've been advised to stop because, yeah, I'm getting better now. Thanks be to God. So it affected like my scalp. I don't know. Also, it is a temperature changes and a lot, so I don't know. I really don't know. But natural hair is a journey. So when you get into this game, if anything happens, give yourself grace. Don't beat up yourself like you're blah 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 blah. Sometimes medication can really mess up a lot with your hair growth journey, so give yourself grace. Off camera, guys, I did hate to part my hair into 3 sections, and then I tie with thread, and then this is how it we are coming back. The style that was on my hair, I think that style can apparently go well with virgin hair, but it cannot go well with this blown out hair. Okay, my hair is so soft that some styles cannot. That is why I usually prefer staying with my virgin hair, because it is easier to style. Because this one, sometimes on Sunday it can be really messy on me. It takes my time. It's just a lot, but yeah, that is it. So today I just wanted to share with you one hair tip that has helped me over these years, and it is a tip that I used to neglect because I thought sinywele zinamea tu or anything. I'm that person who thought that it is genes that makes your hair grow, but guys, it is not the genes. It is not the genes. It is not what you put on your hair. And I'll still repeat, it is not the oil that makes your hair looks beautiful. The tip that has helped me all these years is the practices and the routine that you take on your hair. So guys, I made sure to roll tack outside camera with those rubber bumps that you've seen, and then I try to do the edges. Guys, I'm not perfect when it, now see what has ended up. This style has failed, but yeah, see what I did. Just see, but I've tried. I have tried. So off camera I went and I undid the edges just to push back my hair, because next year to-do list is to learn how to do my own edges, and cross fingers for me, because I need to learn. I can do someone their edges very well, but when it comes to me it is difficult. So I hate to do it away and accessories with some bridal pins, and this is how your girl is looking like. So thank you guys for watching. This is the video of today, so little but short. What can you say about this tutorial? Thank you so much for the support. See you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and give me a sweet comment. Please give me questions that you would want me to answer. And I'd say, if you are a Christian lady watching this, kindly join Ladies of Modesty. This is a global mission is to inspire ladies for the good given callings in ministry. Let's save kisses for Christmas holiday. And if you're not saved, please get saved. Jesus loves you. Find your purpose and chase it like nobody's business. See you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.